Good morning, students. From this video, we are going to know about the state legislature. The legislature is that organ of the government which is primarily concerned with the function of making law. It provides a basis for the working of the executive and the judiciary. Unless laws are made, the question of enforcing them. Thus, it can be said that the executive and the judicial organ cannot function without legislature. The constitution provides a legislature for every state. Most of the states have only unicameral legislature. Some states has bicameral legislature. What is unicameral? Uni means one, chamber. Cameral means chamber or house. If the legislature has only one chamber or house, it's known as unicameral legislature. For example, legislative assembly or lower house. What is bicameral? Bi means two, cameral means chamber or house. If the legislature has two chamber or house, it's known as bicameral legislature. Upper house plus lower house. In India, some state has bicameral legislature. Example, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Composition of legislative assembly. Each state shall have a LA. LA means legislative assembly. The maximum strength of the assembly must not exceed 500 or not more than 500. Minimum strength not be below 60 or not less than 60 members. The legislative assembly is a popular house because the members of legislative assembly are purely elected by people. That the election system is called as direct election. It can be dissolved even before the expiry of its term. So what is term? Term of office. The term of office of the legislative assembly is 5 years. Composition of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly of Tamil Nadu consists of 235 members, out of which 234 members are directly elected by the people and one member is nominated by the governor from the Anglo-Indian community. Cabinet and cabinet committees. Cabinet. What is meant by cabinet? The committee of senior ministers responsible for controlling government policy. It's also known as the Council of Ministers or the Executive Council. The Speaker and the Deputy Speaker. The Legislative Assembly elects two of its members as the Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Speaker, Sabanayagar. Deputy Speaker, Tunai Sabanayagar. Speaker, presiding officer, conducts the house in an orderly manner and regulates the proceedings. The speaker does not vacate his office when the assembly is dissolved. The speaker may be removed from the office by a resolution of the must assembly after giving a 14 days notice. Such a resolution must be passed by a majority of the members present at the time of voting. அதாவது சபாநாயகர் அவருடைய பதவியை ராஜினாமா செய்ய இயலாது, அவரை நீக்க வேண்டும் என்றால் அவர் மீது நம்பிக்கை இல்லாத தீர்மானம் கொண்டு வர வேண்டும். அந்த நம்பிக்கை இல்லாத தீர்மானத்திற்கு அறுதி பெரும்பான்மையான வாக்குகள் விழும் பொழுதுதான் சபாநாயகரை அவருடைய பதவியிலிருந்து நீக்க முடியும். அந்த நம்பிக்கை இல்லாத தீர்மானம் கொண்டு வருவதற்கான மனுவை 14 நாட்களுக்கு முன்னமே கொடுத்திருக்க வேண்டும். While the office of the speaker is vacant, the deputy speaker performs his functions. Legislative council. The legislative council is the upper house of the state legislature. The Vidhan Parishad. Vidhan Parishad means legislative council or upper house. The members of upper house are elected by the member of legislative assembly. In this election is called as indirect election. Every member of legislative council serves for a 6 years term. For MLA, member of legislative assembly, 5 years. For MLC, member of legislative council, 6 years. MLCs must be citizens of India not under 30 years of age. For MLA, not under 25 years of age. For MLC, not under 35 years of age. The term of 1/3 members expire every 2 years. Election to legislative council. 1/3 of the members are elected by local bodies. 1/12 of the members are elected by graduates of the universities in the state. 1/12 of the members are elected by graduate teachers, பட்டதாரி ஆசிரியர்கள். 1/3 of the members are elected by the members of the legislative assembly. And 1/6 is nominated by the governor, who is eminent in the field of literary excellence, art, social service, or cooperation. The chairman. The chairman is a presiding officer of the upper house. For lower house, the speaker is the presiding officer. For upper house, chairman. The members elect a chairman and a deputy chairman from among themselves. In the absence of the chairman, the deputy chairman officiates the functions of the legislative council. Abolition or creation of legislative council. Article 169 deals with the creation or abolition of legislative council in a state. According to Article 169, holds that if the state legislative assembly passes a resolution by a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting, and by the majority of total strength of the house, requesting the parliament to create or abolish the state legislative council, then the parliament may be law provide for the abolition and creation of the legislative council. அதாவது ஆர்டிகல் 169 கீழ் சட்ட மேலவையை அமைப்பதற்கும் சட்ட மேலவையை கலைப்பதற்கும் பாராளுமன்றத்திற்கு அதிகாரம் உள்ளது. அவ்விதியின்படி மாநிலங்களவை, மக்களவை உறுப்பினர்கள் வாக்கு செலுத்துவார்கள். அந்த வாக்கின் பொழுது 2/3 பங்கு வாக்குகள் சட்ட மேலவையை கலைப்பதற்கு விழுமேயாயின் சட்ட மேலவையை கலைத்து விடுவார்கள். அதே சமயம் கலைக்க வேண்டாம் என்று வாக்கு செலுத்துவாராயின் சட்ட மேலவையை கலைக்கப்பட மாட்டாது. Functions of the state legislature. Legislative powers. The state legislature can pass laws on all subjects mentioned in the state list as per the constitution. It can also pass laws on concurrent subjects. The state, அதாவது state list means மாநில அரசாங்கத்தின் அதிகாரத்திற்கு உட்பட்டு. It can also pass laws on concurrent subjects. The state made law in a concurrent subject will become inoperative when the center also passes a law on the same subject. Then it becomes an act with the governor's assent. Financial power. The legislature controls the finance of the state. The lower house enjoys greater power than the upper house in money matters. Money bills can be introduced only in the lower house or the assembly. No new tax can be levied without the sanction and permission of the assembly. Controls over the executive. The council of ministers is responsible to the assembly. Once again, the council of ministers is responsible, collective responsible to the assembly. The ministers have to answer questions asked by the members of the legislature. கேள்வி நேரத்தின் பொழுது கவுன்சில் ஆஃப் மினிஸ்டர்ஸ் மந்திரிகள் தத்தம் துறை சார்ந்த கேள்விகளுக்கு உறுப்பினர்களின் கேள்விகளுக்கு பதில் அளிக்க வேண்டும். They can be removed from office if the assembly passes a vote of no confidence motion against the ministry. No confidence means நம்பிக்கை இல்லாத தீர்மானம். கவுன்சில் ஆஃப் மினிஸ்டர்ஸ் மேலும் நம்பிக்கை இல்லாத தீர்மானம் கொண்டு வர முடியும். Thank you students. Thank you for watching this video.